Do you want to retire early? Do you want to make a ton of money by turning your home into an Airbnb or a long-term rental? My client has done just that, and you can too.
I am Derek, and I own multiple properties here in Washington, D.C. I was upgrading to a larger home and decided I could supplement my income with Airbnb. I wanted to have the flexibility to earn the extra income when the space was available. So when you're getting ready to list your property on Airbnb, the most important consideration are the photos. They need to be professionally taken and show your property in the best possible light. And you also want to right away identify a cleaner or cleaning service you can trust to always do a good job and take care of your guests if they need anything. You need fast internet and places for them to plug in their devices. Pricing yourself can be difficult to hit the mark, and so there are services out there that help you maximize your revenue. Your income is going to largely depend on how much space you can dedicate to it, and people are primarily going to be looking at the number of people that can sleep in a unit and comparing it to the price, and that along with the location is going to be primarily what determines your income. The more money that you make, you can put that money back into the house, and of course it's important to keep in mind that the money that you invest back into the property is tax deductible. When you're running an Airbnb, you have to keep the customer happy, and they're always right, and that's your number one priority.
I can help you make your money and grow your real estate portfolio too. For more real estate tips and insights, like, follow, and subscribe to Pedusala Group on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook.